So, this is how you can change your Netflix plan. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Netflix. Today you will learn how to change your plan, whether you want it to be premium or standard or all the other plans. So, go ahead and open up Safari or any other browser that you may have, and then log in to Netflix.com. Once you do, you're going to want to tap on the three dots and then go to Account at the very top. Now, as you can see, I have the standard plan. You're going to want to tap on Manage Membership and then tap on Change Plan. And here you can find what streaming plan you want to do. Mobile, basic, standard, which is what I have, and premium. So the best price is actually premium because it's in Ultra HD and you can watch on 4 different devices and download on 6 devices. So I recommend switching to premium. But if you want something more basic and just one device, tap on basic and it's going to be cheaper. So yeah, this is how you do it. Just go ahead and tap on your manage membership button and then wait and then find change plan. So once you tap on change plan, you will see all the other plans that you can do. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.